Hey guys, it's Purple Neon, right? I'm gonna microwave this piece of banana, okay? So, let's go to the microwave. I did this before and I recorded it, but it didn't really record that good. Couldn't really see it, so I'm gonna redo it. It's really cool. So, just watch. Well, you could hear it. It sounded really weird. It like hissed at you. Okay. Don't ask why I'm cutting it with a steak knife. I don't know. Well, just sort of gets all mushy and stuff. And, yeah. Yeah. So, thought my mom was home for a second. Anyways, what should I microwave? Leave a comment and stuff. Because I don't really know what to microwave next. Somebody told me to microwave a banana, and I didn't have any, so I had to wait till I did. So, yeah. Yeah, bye.